Hi, and thank you for joining me for this video. My name is Christiaan Kotze and I'm one of the product managers here at Miro. Today we're going to look at the MikroTik LTE web access point. And if you like this video, please remember to press the subscribe button so you can see more videos like this from Miro Distribution. We are going to do the unboxing of the MikroTik wAP LTE access point. At Miro we currently have two LTE versions available, the standard 802.11n 2.4 GHz only AB with one LAN port, and then also the dual band 2.4 and 5.8 GHz 802.11 AC access point, which can handle up to 866 megabits per second. As you can see in the packaging, it comes with an instruction guide for ceiling, wall and pole mount options. It also comes with a quick start instruction guide. A 24-volt DC power supply. This unit does support 10 to 57 volt DC or 18 to 57 volt PoE input. A passive PoE injector is also included in the box. It comes with a metal ring for secure pole mount and also some plastic zip ties for pole mount options. And as you can see here, we've got the desktop stand. Let's see how this works. So your desktop stand. On top of that, you're also supplied with all the screws, plugs, and even the Allen keys for installation. As you can see, everything included in the box. And this unit is a category 4 LTE modem, which means it supports up to 150 meg per second on LTE speeds. And as you can see, this model has 2 gigabit LAN ports as well. All in all, this is a great LTE access point for either indoor or outdoor hotspot solutions, whether it's for private home or public Wi-Fi solutions. I hope you enjoyed this video and remember to subscribe to the Miro YouTube channel.